Good morning and welcome to Morning Markets with True Potential. On today's Morning Markets, we will look at what is data points and key events for the week ahead. Relatively short week in the US because of Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday. But what's on the data front? We have got flash PMIs in developed markets. We have been talking about the purchasing manager indices, which have been softening overall through the year. We will get the manufacturing and services sector. It will give us indication how the both services and manufacturing activity have been evolving in the month of October. Expectations of a fairly muted readings overall, but it will also give us indication if the Japanese activity, which has been fairly strong on the manufacturing side, has it taken a little bit of a downdraft. In the US as well, we have continued to see some manufacturing activity losing its momentum over the last couple of months. It will be important to see how that manufacturing activity data comes in the US as well. What else is happening during the week? We get FOMC, the Federal Reserve's minutes for their November meeting. It will give us some indication of where the committee is positioned towards, or whether the members are on the hawkish camp or a little bit on the dovish side, and recognizing the slowdown, which is already well entrenched in certain parts of the economy. We have then some few governors or Federal Reserve governors speaking during the week. The main one of them will be James Bullard, the St. Louis Fed governor, who has been on the hawkish tone throughout the year. But lately he has been hinting towards a little bit of a softer path and a little bit of easing on the interest rate rises. So it'll be interesting to see what he comes out with. Then starting this morning, we saw People's Bank of China holding back its interest rate cuts. So they actually held the interest rates at the level which were in their previous meetings. Combined with that, we also saw first COVID death in China over the weekend. Both of these factors have baked into the weaker start in the Chinese markets and Asian markets overall. This morning we also saw some German inflation data, which surprised quite markedly on the downside. Purchasing manager inflation, which came in much weaker than expected. Inflation in the month dropped by 4.2% from the month of September, where it was plus 2.3%. Which all indicates that the softening in inflation data is well entrenched, and it will be interesting to see if the wider economy also indicates that softness in inflation. Thank you very much for watching Morning Markets, and we'll keep you posted on the data and developments as they come along. Thank you.
If you're interested in taking your investing to the next level, or would like to know more about the options available to you when you retire, then download our free guides to ISAs and pensions. These are available in the video description below.